Namaste children. Today we are going to learn the lesson from your history part in the earliest cities. The important civilization what we are going to discuss is the Harappan civilization. Dear children, the life in the Harappa civilization which is started with the agriculture, especially they used the plough was used to dig the earth for turning the soil and planting seeds, while real ploughs which has been used by that people which made up of wood. The toy models have been found as the source by the archaeological department. Irrigation, the artificial watering of land by users of aqueducts, irrigation canals and others which got as the source from the Harappan civilization. So here, as the region does not receive heavy rainfall, some form of irrigation may have been used. This means that water was stored and supplied to the fields when the plants were growing. The Harappans reared cattle, sheep, goat, buffalo, water pastures were available around settlements. Dear children, they used these internal water sources to shift the goods from one place to another place, so which is near to the Dholavira city, that is the Rann of Kutch. So where there was fresh water and fertile soil, unlike some of other Harappan cities which were divided into two parts, that is Dholavira. So the Dholavira was divided into three parts, so which has been surrounded with massive stone walls. So can you see these sites, dear children? So the Harappans were agriculturists. Their economy was entirely dominated by horticulture. There were massive granaries in each city. Many of the Harappan fields are pictures of animals that imply a wet and marshy environment. Archaeological records provide no immediate answer for a center of power for depictions of people in power of Harappan society. The next important source, that is dockyard. A rectangular dockyard was discovered at Lothal in Gujarat. It was surrounded by massive brick wall, probably as a protection against flood. Can you see this dockyard, dear children, here, which is near to Lothal? So here only the dockyard located. So where the ships are arrived and it will be repaired. So like that the work has been taken over. The next thing, the great granary is also located near to this water sources, because they want to store all the grains for the distribution of trade and commercial contact. So great granary, another large building in the city, that was a great granary. So made about 45 meters long and 15 meters wide. It was meant to store food grains. It had lines of circular back platforms. So these seals were used by the Harappan people after the package of the grains or some of the economical goods. That bag has been sealed through these kind of symbols. So these were the symbols of Harappan seals. So this statue showed how they are involved in this embroidery work, especially the flowers. So the pottery were the important evidence of the Harappan people and which has been exported to nearby areas also. So handcraft system also followed, especially the beads and then gold jewels. The ornaments also used by the women to wear. The important toys which is called terracotta. So that is also important source about this Harappan culture. Hope you are all understood this topic, my dear. Thank you. We will see in the next class.